your school. 352 students, 20 teachers, 407 desks, 15 staff workers, 16 doors. That's going to be intimidating right there. That's a lot of numbers. A child is probably going, yikes. How many people are in the school? Remember that we're directing our children to find the numbers and find the word or phrase that gives a clue as to the operation. Well, there's a whole lot of numbers there. But what are they actually going to do with those numbers? The question is asking how many people are in the school. Do we need the 352? Are students people? Well, yes, they are. "20 teachers. Are those people? Yes, we'll need that number. 407 desks. Are desks people? Ah, this problem was playing with our heads. We're going to disregard this number altogether. 15 staff workers. Well, that would be maybe the people that serve the lunch in the cafeteria, maybe the janitorial people, the principal, the secretaries. Are those people? Yes, they are. We'll count them. We're going to use the 15. And how about 16 doors? Doors are not people. Duh. So we're going to skip that. Your child might say, duh. Doors are not people. So what looked very intimidating is now a little bit easier to take. Now that we found the numbers that we're going to use in this problem, let's see if we can find the word that means the operation. How many people are in the school? Your child might be tempted to say how many. I've read a lot of problems, story problems, over the years, and most of them ask their question, how much or how many? So it doesn't really give, that phrase doesn't really give a very good clue to the operation, because that phrasing is in problems of all 4 operations. So I usually steer children away from the how much or how many. I don't really see a word in here that matches any of the vocabulary that we've associated with addition. So it must be inferred. The word must be inferred in this case. Your child has got to maybe put in one of the vocabulary words here, substitute it into this problem, and see if it makes any sense. Could we say, how many people are in the school in all? How many people are in the school in total? What are the sum of the people? How many people are in the school altogether? Well, several of those vocabulary words do work in this problem. So we could choose one. Perhaps let's do in all. But because these words were not in the problem itself, we realized that this was inferred. So I'm going to put parentheses around that word because I know that that is not in the problem itself, but it makes sense to me to have it in the problem. So we're going to add. We're looking for an answer that's going to be bigger at the end because addition gives you a bigger answer. Would it be reasonable to combine the students, the teachers, and the staff workers all together to get an answer for how many people are in the school in all? And that reasoning takes a long time to explain to you, but it actually happens at break speed in your child's head. Coming to the ones column then, we're pretty definite that this is an addition problem. 2 plus 5 is 7, so we've got our ones column. Our tens column, here we've got a 5 and 7, 8. And the 3 is all by itself, so it's a copy job. You just bring it down. there are 387 people. This is the label that the classroom teacher would be looking for, people, but this is the clue that told us to add. Problem complete.